Hello, everyone. Hope you're all doing well. And I have this constant demand for prediction videos or guidance videos. So here I am with a really short video. This can be used as a this is a timeless video. In fact, if you see it at any point of time, the message would still be relevant for you. And please remember, this is a general guidance. And if you're looking for a personalized reading, do message me or simply write to me at sugandha.tarot@gmail.com. So, all you have to do is take 3 deep breaths, center yourself, and select a card that you're drawn for. There is one with a beautiful pyrite here. There's another one with a beautiful citrine, and there's a third one with a black tourmaline with a layer of mica on it, one of my favorite crystals ever. So take a minute and take 3 deep breaths, center yourself, and select a card. So if you've had a chance to select a card now, if you've chosen card number 1, I have the Justice for you. So if you've chosen Justice, I feel this is a time when if your actions and if your karma has been fine, things will generally move into your favor. Also, when I see Justice, I immediately feel that you should be taking care of your paperwork in case in case you have some kind of a renewal pending or any documentation that needs to be done. Please ensure that it is done on time. Try not to delay it too much, because at this point of time, any kind of documentation, any kind of paperwork, any kind of official work will be of utmost importance. Also, if you have any court cases going on or any kind of judicial actions going on, then things are most likely to fall in your favor. Also, do take care of where you keep your papers. Every household has a place where they keep their papers safe, but so please check up on your papers that they are in place, they are not damaged in any manner. That is going to be very, very, very important for you at this point of time. You could also be taking a very important decision, something that you have been sort of putting off for quite a while now. But I think it's time to take that decision. Think about it. Don't make haste when it's time to take an important decision. If you've chosen card number 2, which has this beautiful citrine, let me just put it aside. Then you have chosen the King of Cups. King of Cups is all about emotion. I absolutely love this card. This is from the Lightseers Tarot, and look at the serene surroundings. So this card is all about emotional well-being. It's all about a grown up. It's about a grown up man in the family. You could be getting really good advice from him. And if you've not connected to your father or your father-in-law or any father figure lately, please do that. Make time to call them. Make time, or try and spend time with them. Also, a very valuable advice could be coming with them. See, this is a complete water, a water element card. There's fish, there's singing bowl, there's, a bowl is used to hold water. There's a sea, beach kind of a feeling. This person's wearing a fish pendant here. So it's all about emotions. Water or cups in tarot is all about emotions. So you need to keep your emotions balanced. Try not to argue with elders in your family. Try not to get into a confrontation with them at this point, because your emotions could be really imbalanced. So focus on balancing your emotions. Focus on positive emotions. Focus on bringing in more peace to you and your life at this point. If you've chosen card number 3, let's put this black tourmaline aside. You have chosen a Fool and 2 major arcana cards here. If you've chosen the Fool, that clearly doesn't mean that you're a fool. It means that you are dancing to your own tune at this point of time. Also, this is the time to take the leap of faith. Clearly, COVID times are on. The leap of faith should not be you going out and partying. That's not sensible. But if you have chosen the Fool, that means कि बहुत कुछ आपकी लाइफ में नई अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ आ सकती हैं, नए एडवेंचर्स आ सकते हैं. साथ ही यू विल बी फॉलोइंग योर ओन ट्यून. हो सकता है आप इस वक्त जैसा रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशंस हैं उसके हिसाब से ना चल रहे हों एंड सिर्फ अपने दिल की सुन रहे हों. take calculated risks, but risks can be taken at this time. Saying again, COVID-19 से जुड़ा कोई risk नहीं लें. Clearly the time is not right for that, but new opportunities are coming your way. You will be guided by the universe. Stay open to the signs from the universe. अगर आप थोड़ा सा aware रहेंगे तो आपको signs मिलेंगे nature की तरफ से, universe की तरफ से. You will have the right kind of signals. You will have opportunities coming your way. और अगर आप कुछ स्टार्ट करना चाहते हैं या करना चाह रहे हैं काफ़ी टाइम से, तो उसके लिए भी इट इज़ अ वेरी गुड साइन दैट द यूनिवर्स इज़ हेल्पिंग यू. डांस टू योर ट्यून, लिसन टू योर हार्ट, एंड इस वक्त इंट्यूशन की सुनेंगे तो गलत नहीं होगा. आई होप द रीडिंग रेजोनेट्स विद ऑल ऑफ यू, एंड आई प्रॉमिस दैट आई विल बी बैक विद मोर tarot or Lenormand readings for you very soon, or some oracle pullouts. And till then, stay home, stay safe, and keep smiling. Lots of angel blessings to you.